this video, we will demonstrate how to wire the encoder and solenoid brake cables to the Grifco D-Drive variable speed inverter controllers. The Grifco D-Drive variable speed operators require cabling of an encoder cable from the encoder on the operator to either a DDI7, DDI12 or DDI15 wall controller. This cable should be supplied already connected to the operator when purchasing a D-Drive from Grifco, but can also be purchased independently if required. For your safety, ensure all power has been disconnected to the controller before you begin installation. The cable should have a white 6-pin Molex connector on the encoder side that runs through a cable gland and plugs directly into the encoder. Secure this cable gland once this cable has been plugged in, and then close the enclosure securely. The other end of the encoder cable will have a 6-core coloured cable with a red plug numbered 31 to 36 and possibly an additional 2-core cable if your operator requires connection of a solenoid brake. D-Drive operator models that have a solenoid brake requiring the wiring of this 2-core cable are any chain drive operator or any direct drive operator that is 750 Newton meters and above. All other models will not be supplied with and will not require the additional 2-core cable. To install the 6-core cable with the red plug, ensure the encoder cable is fed through a cable gland on the underside of the enclosure, then simply plug the connector onto the PCB pins at the bottom right of the wall control circuit board, marked with the corresponding numbers 31 to 36. Confirm that the colours align with yellow on pin 31, grey on 32, brown on 33, pink on 34, green on 35 and white on 36. If you have an operator with a solenoid brake, connect one end of the 2-core cable to the pluggable screw terminal marked with an L. This terminal is located on the left side of the bottom edge of the circuit board. Connect the second end of the 2-core cable to the pluggable screw terminal marked with the number 11. This terminal is located on the right side of the bottom edge of the circuit board. Lastly, install a link wire between the terminals marked with an N and the terminal marked with the number 10. Refer to the wiring diagram in the manual or quick start guide to ensure you have this solenoid brake connected correctly. Once all cables have been connected, tighten the cable gland on the underside of the enclosure, ensuring the enclosure is closed securely. If the power, motor and safety brake cables have been connected, you are now ready to power on your controller and set the limits.